Here's a quick start guide to get you up and running with DRYFT. Begin by putting the machine into transport mode. This keeps the pad off the ground for easy transportation. Stand DRYFT upright using the headstand. Check that the recovery tank is clean and empty before use. Attach your color-coded cleaning pad to the head plate. For general dirt, fill the clean water tank with just water. If you choose to use a chemical, ensure it is machine-safe and low foaming. Insert a charge battery into the machine till it clicks. Power on DRYFT and select either smooth floor mode or rough floor mode. Support the handle by placing your upper hand firmly around the soft grip on the S handle. Rest your other hand on the lower handle area to gently guide the machine with your fingers. This should be a light touch and not a firm grip. Then begin walking forward in a controlled motion. Ready to clean. The fastest method to clean your floors is using the S motion, which can be done whilst walking forwards or backwards. Guide DRYFT along edges and into corners for a complete, precise clean. When finished, power off, remove the battery, put it on charge, and empty both tanks. You're all set. DRYFT is ready to go for fast, efficient cleaning wherever the job takes you. Don't forget to watch our DRYFT maintenance video, available now to guide you through regular upkeep of your machine.